this video we will discuss the first four fundamental of Java language. The first fundamental is tokens. A token is the smallest meaningful element of the Java program. If you remember, in the last video we have discussed about this program. So each word of this program, as per the symbols that we have typed, has a special purpose or the meaning. Even this dot symbol, or you can say the full stop in English language, so it has a meaning in the Java language. Look at this terminator, even this has a meaning in Java. Like in English language, you have full stop to stop the statement or to terminate the statement. So here we have semicolon in Java language. So all the words that we have typed in this program are the symbols that we have used, okay, that are known as token, because each word and each symbol has a meaning. Even this curly brace, beginning curly brace, closing curly brace, all these are tokens. This parenthesis, or you can say the circular bracket, these are tokens. So whatever symbols or the words that we will use while creating the program, or you can say the Java program, that all will have what meaning, special meaning for and token is the smallest meaningful element in Java programming language. So if somebody asks you what is token, you will simply say the smallest meaningful element in Java programming language or of Java program is called token, because the words or the symbols that we are going to use while creating the programs, okay, all are having special meaning, okay, and they are used for special purpose. So it may be identifier, it may be keyword, constant, all these are tokens, okay. We will discuss all the tokens like identifiers, keywords, constant, okay, variables, one by one. So let us discuss the first token, that is identifier. The first token of the Java program that we are going to discuss is identifier. Now let me show you in the program, okay, that first program that we have created, okay, where are the identifiers in that program. So first of all, you have to remember the definition of identifier. Identifier is a name, okay, whether it is a class name, variable name, or method name, whatever is name in Java program, that is called identifier. So you can simply say names are known, or you can say called as identifiers. Okay, such as class name, name of the class, or you can say function name. If you remember, main is the name of the function. In the last video I have told you function name. We will discuss about variables, okay, that variable name, etc. all are identifiers. Now let us have a look on the program that we have created last time. So look at this, okay, this is the class name, welcome. So this is an identifier. Main is a method name, this is also identifier. Args is also an identifier, it is an array name, okay, so it is also identifier. This string is a class, okay, again it is a name of class, but it is already there in Java, so it is an identifier. So all these are identifiers. but this class is already there. We have not created this class, like welcome class. Okay, so all these are identifier. Whatever is name, okay, whether it is class name, method name, variable name, all are called what? Identifiers. Now there are rules for naming the identifiers. An identifier, or you can see the name, okay, while naming any variable or the class, we can use letters to make that name or to form that name. Okay, what are the rules? Rules for naming, that how you can name a identifier. Rules for naming identifier. The first rule, that a name may be made up of small letters, alphabets, or you can say or capital letter. Like here, look at this carefully. In this program, the class name is made up of letters. Welcome, WELCOME. Okay, WELCOME. So all our letters, W is capital letter and rest of the letters are small. So this welcome class name is made up of letters. Okay, even we can use here underscore, that welcome to. Okay, this symbol is called underscore. Welcome to computer class, name of the class. So in this way you can also name the class. Okay, so now we have not used a space, we have used a underscore. So underscore is, use of underscore is permitted while naming the identifiers. So remember this, we can use underscore, okay, this symbol. So second is, we can use of underscore, and there is one more symbol. This symbol is called underscore, and dollar sign is allowed, or you can say permitted, while naming the identifiers. Third is the identifiers, the name. Okay, names are known as identifier, whether it is class name, variable name. A name should not be a keyword. We will discuss what is keyword for the time being. An identifier should not be a keyword. Okay, we'll discuss what is keyword. Okay, identifier should not be a keyword, and an identifiers can be of any length. Length means the number of letters that you will use for naming the identifier. Okay, so you can use any number of letters. Okay, it may be like welcome to computer class. Okay, so this is the class name. Okay, but remember this, while typing the remaining words, you will not use space. The use of space is not permitted, or you can say allowed. Okay, while naming the identifiers, without any space you will type the name. You will not use the space bar key while naming the identifiers. Now next topic is keywords. So what are keywords? Keywords are the reserved words in Java language which have special meaning. Okay, which have special meaning in Java, and they are used for special purpose. Okay, keywords are the reserved words in Java. Okay, keywords. Okay, keywords are, okay, they are reserved words. Reserved means they can't be used as a variable name. They can't be used as a identifiers, you can say. Keywords are the reserved words in Java language, or you can say Java programming language, or you can use Java program, which have special meaning, or you can say which are used for special purpose in Java program. Okay, and keywords cannot be used as a variable name, or you can say as identifiers. Okay, keywords, Java keywords cannot be used, or we cannot use, or you can say, okay, cannot be used as identifiers, or you can say the name of the class, or name of the method, or name of the variable. We will discuss what is variable, no need to worry. Okay, Java keywords cannot be used as identifiers. Identifiers mean names. It cannot be used as a class name. Okay, it cannot be used as a method name. It cannot be used as a variable name. And there is a specialty of about the keywords. All the keywords in Java and the Java language are written in small letters, or you can say small alphabets, or there is a word that we use, lowercase letters. Lowercase letters means small letters. Okay, or you can say small alphabets. For example, there are few keywords that we have used, okay, while creating this first program. First of all, let me show you the program and highlight those keywords that have special meaning. Okay, so this is our program. Now I'm going to highlight the words. So this public is a keyword. Okay, remember this. Class is a keyword. Okay, again public is here, so it is a keyword. Static is a keyword. Void is a keyword. So all these are the keywords. There are more than 50 keywords in the Java programming language. So now you can see the keywords which I have highlighted in the program, all are written in small letters. Okay, none of the letter of public, static, void or class word is capital. All the letters are small and they have special meaning in the Java program, and we can't use these keywords as the name of class, or as the name of function, or as the name of variable. Remember this. What is variable? We will discuss. And so they have special meaning, okay, and we can't use them as identifiers. Remember it. Next topic is constants. So for examples of keywords, let me type it here. Public. Okay, there are a number of keywords. So as we keep on using, I will tell you that whether it is keyword or not. Okay, void and static, all these are keywords. Public means if class is public, like in this program, even I have told you while explaining the structure of the Java program, this public keyword is used while declaring the class. This is called class declaration. So this means this class can be used or accessed anywhere in the Java program. So this keyword will tell the Java system, or you can say the compiler. Okay, compiler is a translator program, remember this. So hence class will instruct, this keyword has a meaning that after this word we are going to type the name of the class, okay, that we are going to declare the class. And static means this main method can be accessed or can be used, okay, can be used without creating the object of this class, that is welcome. Void is a return type. Okay, in Java I have told you while discussing the structure that a method or a function may or may not return the value. How will you identify from its return type. So this is the return type. If void is present in this method header, this is called method header, or you can say function declaration. So you will say the function will not return any value. Which function? Main function, because name of the function is main. So all these are the keywords and they have special meaning. Okay, so I have explained that meaning also. So all these are the keywords. Okay, there are more keywords as we keep on creating the programs, or we will discuss more topics. I will tell you whether okay this word is keyword or not, Java keyword or not. Next topic is constants. So constant are the values, like in mathematics you have values, okay, 1 2 3 4 4.5, okay, so all these are values. So what are constants? Constant are the values, okay, constants, okay, they are the values, or you can say constant are the values. They are the values that doesn't change. What doesn't change while, or you can say during the execution of the program, or while executing the program, or you can say execution of the program. Execution means while running the program, while during the execution of the program. Okay, if you are using while word, you can say while executing the program. Okay, if you are using during word, you can say while, okay, while execution, okay, during the execution of the program. So it depends upon okay, what words you choose. According to that you can frame the sentence. So constant are the values that doesn't change during the execution of the program. So I'm going to remove this while word so that it doesn't create any confusion. That remains same, okay, like for example, 4 is a constant value, okay, 4 will remain 4, 4 is not going to change, okay, 4.5 or 5.6, okay, this is a decimal value having decimal point, okay, minus 4.5, okay, 5.6 minus 4.5, even, okay, this is also, okay, any name, this is a string value, okay, this is called starting of double quote, this is called double quote, this symbol, and this is closing of double quote, and this is called string. Okay, so string is what? Sequence of characters. This is S is a character. In computer we call them characters instead of alphabets. So S is a character, A is a character. Okay, so all the letters I have typed, or all the alphabets I have typed on the screen, okay, or the, so all the letters are character. Okay, the word is character. This is the word character. We call in computer, rather than calling alphabets or the numbers or the digits, we call them characters. Okay, like I have typed here 4 character, after that comma character, then 5 character, then dot character. Okay, but this character is what? A number. This character is a number having decimal point it. This is comma. Okay, so we remember it. So this value is what? A string value. We will study what a string. So let me tell you what a string. A string is a sequence of characters. You can see after first character is S, after that A, then N. Okay, like I am going to type here 15th August. Okay, 15th August 1947. So this is a string. Okay, string having characters, digits, letters. Okay, so strings are always written or always typed within the double quote. This is the starting double quote and this is the closing double quote. Remember this. String values are always written within the double quotes, or you can say typed within the double quotes. This is the numbers. All these are numbers. Okay, this number. Okay, so all these are the examples of constant, or you can say the values, constant values. So the constants are also called, in Java, the constants are also called as literals. Constants are also called, the values that doesn't change, you can call them constants, or constants are also called literals. So remember this, that constants are also called literals in Java. Okay, one and same, either you can use literal word or constant word. Okay, so now we will discuss the types of constants. So first we will discuss numeric constants. Numeric means numbers, the values, okay, that are numbers. Okay, numeric constants. So in mathematics, okay, you have studied the values, okay, like 0. Okay, I'm quoting the examples of numeric values like 0, 1, 2, 3, all the all the natural numbers, including this 0, the whole number. 0 is a whole number, and they are negatives. Okay, like -1, -2, -3. Okay, so these are what type of constant? These constants are known as integer constant. The first type of constant, these are the examples, and these constants are known as integer constants. What type of constants? Integer values. All these are integer values, or you can say integer constants, or integer literals, you can use this word. 0, all the whole numbers, okay, all the natural numbers and their negatives, including 0. 0 is a whole number, it's not a natural number. Okay, so this is the first, okay, type of constant, that is integer constant, or you can say integer values or integer literals. Next type of constant, numeric constant, is this type of values. Look at here, like 4.5 minus 0.7, okay, 9.8, okay, 0.05, all such type of values, whether positive or negative, having decimal point in it, these are known as real constants, or you can say real values. Okay, real constants. They are also known as floating type constants, or you can call them, okay, real constants or floating type constants, or you can say the real constants are floating type value or real type value. So these are the two types of numeric constants or the values. Next type is non-numeric constants. Okay, there are two categories. Constants are divided into two categories, and further numeric constants are divided into two categories: integer constant and real constant, and these are the examples. Next is non-numeric constant, the values that are not number, okay, that are not digits. So first type of the constant that we will discuss is character constants. Okay, so first I will quote the examples like A, okay, all the alphabets, whether small or capital, okay, whether capital A, small a, okay, capital small c, capital C. Okay, Java treats capital letter and small letters differently. For Java programming language, capital A and small a is different. This is the reason Java language is also known as case sensitive language. Case sensitive means Java language treats capital letters and small letters differently. For Java language, this small a and capital A is not same, it is different. Okay, remember it. So even the single digit number like 1, okay, 2, 3, all the single digit numbers, remember it. The symbols like, okay, uh, greater than, less than, okay, at the rate, okay, etc. All these are character constants, and in Java all the character constant or the values are written within single quotes. This is the single quote, beginning of single quote, and this is the closing of single quote. So character constants or the character values are, or you can say character literals, are written or typed within the single quotes. This is the single quote start and this is the single quote close. So all the character constants are written, remember it, within the single quotes. Okay, all these are, okay, single quotes. So single digit number, if you write it in single quotes, so it becomes what? A character. Remember this, it should be single digit. Okay, all these are characters. Even the symbols, okay, single symbol, any symbol that you are able to type from the keyboard, that are characters. Okay, so all these are what? Characters, and character values are written or within the single quotes, or you can say enclosed. You can use this word enclosed within the single quotes, or you can say written within the single quote. This is the beginning of single quote and this is the closing of single quote. Now such kind of values are known as character constants. Character constants, or you can say character values or character literal. Remember this, if you type here like 32 in 32 or any other number having 3 digits or 2 digits, more than 1 digit, and if you type it in double quotes, so that is incorrect. Okay, it is not a character. Character must be a single alphabet, single digit or single symbol. That must be written, or you can say that must be enclosed within the single quotes. Okay, these are quotes. This is the single quote beginning and this is the single quote closing. So within the single quote you have to type, or you can say write, the character type of value or the constant. Next type of non-numeric, okay, this is the non-numeric constant is string constant. So what is string? String is a sequence of characters. I have told you even in the earlier. Okay, so any, okay, word you can type. Okay, so this is a string value. This is the example of string. Strings are always written or enclosed within a double quote. What is string? String is a sequence of characters. So this is a sequence. After V, I is there, then N, then okay, A, okay, then Y. So it is a sequence. All similarly another sequence you can write, okay, like all these other example, like 15th, okay, 15th August 1947. So again this is what? A string. Okay, string made up of characters. Okay, so each, okay, digit as well as each letter is what? Character, and it is a sequence. In sequence all the one after another they are written, that is called sequence in order. So and their string values are enclosed in double quote. This is the starting double quote and this is the closing double quote. Okay, they are enclosed, or you can say they are enclosed in the string values, or string constants are enclosed within the double quotes. Okay, or you can type entire sentence like this is a boy. So this is again a string, this is a boy. Okay, so this is a string. String is a sequence of characters, remember it. So all these are the examples of what? String constant, string constants, or you can say string values. Next type of non-numeric constant is, okay, first I will tell you the values. One is true and second value is false. There are only two values, okay, that is true and false. Such kind of constant, these two values, true and false, are known as Boolean constants, Boolean values, or you can say Boolean means true or false. Okay, there are only two values, Remember this, T should be small and F should be small while typing. So these are Boolean values, or you can say the Boolean constants. And they are not, okay, you will not write, okay, you will not enclose it in double quotes, otherwise this will become a string. Okay, so this is a, these two, true and false, are two Boolean values in Java, or you can say Boolean constant. So with this we have covered up the 4 topics, that is tokens, identifiers, keywords and constants of Java language. These are fundamentals or the basic concept of Java programming language.